These nuts.
Alright guys, welcome to Anime Tier List. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of anime right here. Let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. This anime, going straight in G. Yeah. So the next anime, yeah, it's going straight in G. This anime, I would have to say, it's going straight in G. This anime, G, 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 G. Okay, this one's actually a hard one. G, G, G. Okay, you know what? I'm thinking F on this one. But G, 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 G. Most definitely G. G, 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 G. I'm gonna have to say G. Let's take a look at our tier list. See if it's see if I want to change anything around. Let's see if there's okay. I'm gonna put this down all the way down here. Just because, you know, not for any specific reason or anything. Okay, well, I might want to make one more change. Maybe move this up a bit, but yeah, I think that's about it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my tier list video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you want more tier list videos. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions of why I'm right and everyone is wrong. But yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye. That shit sucked.